Now we will study reaction of metals with oxygen. How the metals they combine with oxygen to form metal oxide. Generally the metals they combine with oxygen to form metal oxides. This is the general reaction that metals on reaction with oxygen they form metal oxides. These oxides formed by metals they are basic in nature, means when they if they are basic in nature means they will react with water. These metal oxides formed they will react with water to form alkalis. Okay, and alkalis are water soluble bases. Metal oxides if they are basic in nature that means they turn red litmus to blue. अब जो रिएक्शन होती है विद ऑक्सीजन इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ द मेटल, हाउ मच रिएक्टिव द मेटल इज. एज प्रीवियसली वी हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज. तो उसमें क्या था, पोटेशियम सोडियम दे आर मोस्ट रिएक्टिव, दे आर हाईली रिएक्टिव मीन्स दे विल रिएक्ट एट रूम टेम्परेचर. कुछ जो मॉडरेटली रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट्स मेटल्स हैं उनको हीट करने की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. वी नीड टू हीट द मेटल्स ऑन टू रिएक्ट विद ऑक्सीजन. कुछ मेटल्स होते हैं दे नीड स्ट्रॉन्ग हीटिंग टू फॉर्म देयर मेटल ऑक्साइड. सो दिस रिएक्शन with oxygen it depends upon the chemical reactivity of metals. So first we'll study that sodium and potassium. As we know, according to the chemical reactivity series or the activity series, sodium, potassium they are highly reactive elements, highly reactive metals. So they vigorously react with oxygen. Spontaneously they react with oxygen at room temperature to form the metal oxide, that is sodium oxide. And potassium it reacts with oxygen at room temperature to form potassium oxide. These oxides they are basic in nature, they are basic in nature. So if they are basic in nature they will turn red litmus solution to blue. Because they are highly reactive, these metals they are kept immersed in kerosene. This is the most important question which comes most of the times in board exam, CBSE exam, that why the sodium, potassium or the lithium they are being kept immersed in kerosene. The reason being because they are highly reactive metals. So to prevent their reaction with the oxygen or moisture or carbon dioxide of air, they are being kept under kerosene so that the reaction does not takes place at room temperature. Okay, other metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, zinc they burn in oxygen or air. They produce the flame of different color. Like sodium it burns with bright golden yellow flame. Magnesium it burns with white light. Magnesium on reaction with oxygen it forms magnesium oxide. Zinc it needs strong heating. Zinc burns only on strong heating to form zinc oxide. This is ZnO, it is zinc oxide. अब ये जो metal oxides हैं, most of the metal oxides they are insoluble in water, but there are some metal oxides which dissolve in water to form alkali. And in second chapter we have defined the alkali. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. So sodium oxide and potassium oxide, these are the two metal oxides which are soluble in water. Question comes, name two metal oxides which are soluble in water, which form alkalis. So they are sodium oxide and potassium oxide. Because on reaction with water they form sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Magnesium metal it does not react at room temperature, but it needs to be heated to form magnesium oxide. It gives heat and light to form basic oxide, magnesium oxide. It is white in colored powder is formed, it is magnesium oxide. Now because heat is required for the reaction to carry out, it means magnesium is less reactive than sodium, potassium or lithium. Magnesium oxide जो है it dissolves in water but it dissolves partially to form magnesium hydroxide solution. Completely dissolve नहीं होता है magnesium oxide water में to form magnesium hydroxide, but it partially dissolves to form a base, that is magnesium hydroxide. It shows basic nature, that is it turns blue litmus to red. Next is aluminium. It reacts with oxygen only on strong heating to form aluminium oxide. This aluminium reacts with oxygen of air on strong heating. When we strongly heat aluminium in presence of oxygen, then only it forms aluminium oxide. ये जो एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड है ये कैसा ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करता है? एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स. एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स, दिस विल स्टडी इन आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स. तो ये जो एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्म करता है, इट फॉर्म्स एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड ओनली ऑन स्ट्रॉन्ग हीटिंग. आयरन जो है इट ऑल्सो रस्ट इन मॉइस्ट एयर. रस्टिंग वी नो, iron it also forms rust in moist air to form reddish brown flaky substance, iron oxide, which is called rust. तो आयरन क्या करता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल Fe जो है रिएक्ट करता है ऑक्सीजन के साथ टू फॉर्म Fe2O3. दिस आयरन ऑक्साइड रिएक्ट्स विद X molecules of water. This X means it is water of crystallization. It gains water of crystallization and it forms the rust, which is reddish brown in color. It forms Fe2O3.XH2O. आयरन को कभी भी जब बर्न करते हैं, इट डज नॉट बर्न ऑन हीटिंग, बट इट ग्लोज रेड हॉट एंड फॉर्म्स Fe3O4. ये रेड हॉट प्रोड्यूस करता है, इट ग्लोज विद ब्राइट रेडनेस एंड इट फॉर्म्स आयरन ऑक्साइड. नेक्स्ट कम्स लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल्स. Copper, it is less reactive than iron, aluminum, zinc. It does not burn, but it forms a black coating. Means copper on reaction with oxygen, it forms a compound which is black in color. It is copper 2 oxide. 2 here means the valency of copper is 2. Copper shows 2 valencies, copper +1 and copper +2. Here the valency of copper is 2, therefore it is written copper 2 oxide. So this black coating is formed, it is of copper 2 oxide. Silver and gold, they are least reactive. They do not react with oxygen even at high temperature. That is why we see that silver and gold jewelries, they do not react with oxygen, they do not get dull. However, silver jewelry or the silver ornaments or the silver utensils, they get blackened after some time. It is not because of reaction with oxygen, it is because of reaction of hydrogen sulfide which is present in air, because it forms silver sulfide. That silver sulfide formed, it is black, grayish black in color. So सिल्वर जो ब्लैक हो जाता है, सिल्वर ऑर्नामेंट, सिल्वर ज्वेलरी और सिल्वर यूटेंसिल्स जो काले पड़ना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं आफ्टर सम टाइम, इट इज़ नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ रिएक्शन विद हाइड्रोजन सल्फाइड एट हाई. It does not react with oxygen at high temperature. Next comes nature of metal oxides. As I told you that metals, they form basic oxides. Oxides, they form alkali, means sodium oxide. When reacted with water, it forms sodium hydroxide. Similarly, potassium oxide on reaction with water, it forms potassium hydroxide. ये जो soluble hydroxides हैं of these metals, alkali metals, they are called alkalis. Similarly, calcium oxide also reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Now there are certain metals, as I told you, amphoteric oxides. There are certain metals which form the oxides, that is they react with acids as well as basic, means they show basic character also as well as acidic character also, and they form salt and water. So here we'll study 2 examples. This is also important for from board point of view, that what are amphoteric oxides and which metals they form amphoteric oxides, give chemical reactions. So this is important from examination point of view also. Zinc, it reacts with HCl, it forms zinc chloride and water. Zinc oxide on reaction with sodium hydroxide, here HCl it is acid, it also reacts with base sodium hydroxide to form a salt sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus water. Similarly, aluminium oxide Al2O3, it also behaves as an acidic oxide and basic oxide. It behaves as basic oxide because it reacts with HCl. जब HCl के साथ ये रिएक्ट करता है, it forms aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus water, and it behaves as acidic oxide when it reacts with base NaOH. It forms sodium aluminate 2NaAlO2 plus 3H2O. So these are amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides which shows acidic behavior as well as basic behavior. Means they can react with both acids as well as bases to form salts and water. Next is ऑक्साइड्स ऑफ मेटल्स विच आर नॉट सॉल्युबल इन वाटर. जो ऑक्साइड्स वाटर में सॉल्युबल नहीं हैं, दे react with acids to form salt and water, like calcium oxide. On reaction with HCl, it forms calcium chloride salt plus water. Magnesium oxide, similarly, it reacts with sulfuric acid to form magnesium sulfate and water. So this was all about the chemical reaction of metals with oxygen. Next property, reaction of metals with water, we will study in our next video. Thank you students. I hope you understood the topic. Practice these reactions. If still you face any doubt, any problem, you can ask. Thank you.